Sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung isang simple at repeatable na system to hire great people fast without paying massive staffing agencies. Hey, it's Erin from Startup Wise, at kung na-feel mo na yung parang stuck ka between ikaw na lang ang gumagawa ng lahat ng recruiting mo and handling it to an expensive recruiter, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a practical step-by-step you can use to scale your team from absolute scratch, at isi-share ko rin yung mas smarter na alternative for global hiring na hindi ka itatrap sa same agency model. Plus may kasama tong 90-day guarantee, so hindi ka masustuck sa bad hire. Kung bakit importante to para sa founders, ang hiring ay isa sa pinaka-exciting pero pinaka-stressful parts of building a company. And nagdadala ka ng mga taong literally nagde-decide kung gaano kabilis ka mag-grow and how well you execute. Pero ito yung catch. Karamihan ng founders hindi galing sa recruiting background. Nagbe-build sila ng products, nagbebenta sa customers, pitch investors, agencies promise to make it easy, pero sa 20 to 30% ng salary per hire, they drain your budget before your new teammate can even get started. And doing it yourself, that can eat weeks of your own time. So, ano yung middle ground? It's building a lean in-house hiring machine. Ikaw yung may control sa process, track really strong candidates, and keep your budget intact. Then for overseas talent, kung saan medyo tricky na yung sourcing, ipapakita ko sa inyo how to plug in paired without agency level costs. So step 1, you wanna plan your team like a product roadmap. Hindi kailangan ng startups ng vague org charts. Ang kailangan mo ay clear outcomes. I want you to open a document called Team Roadmap. Sa next 90 days, write down 3 to 5 business outcomes that matters most to you. Halimbawa, makakuha ng 250,000 in new revenue. Launch version 2 of your product, bawasan ang churn by 15%. So, para sa bawat outcome, ilist mo yung skills na kailangan. Tapos, i-group mo yung mga skills into roles, and kung mukhang small lang yung workload, like less than 20 hours per week, you can consider a contractor or a fractional hire first. If it's mission critical and long-term, gawin mo siyang full-time. Tapos, isipin mo yung step na to as hiring backwards. Hindi mo na tinatanong kung sino ang gusto mo. You're asking what results must we hit and what person will get us there. Step 2, magsulat ka ng outcome-based job descriptions. Too many job posts are just buzzwords. Ang gusto mo specific. So, structure mo siya like this. About the role, 2 to 3 lines on what they'll own and why it matters. Then, success at 90 days, meaning measurable results, hindi lang tasks. Halimbawa, ma-answer yung 40 customer tricks per day with 95% satisfaction. Day-to-day 5 to 7 bullets of actual work. Dapat may must-haves ka rin versus nice-to-haves, pero short lang dapat, hindi mahaba. Tapos yung application steps. So, lagi kang mag-a-ask ng short task like 60-second Loom video or quick exercise. And this will essentially weed out the mass suppliers at makikita mo kung sino talaga yung seryoso sa role. Step number 3 is sourcing talent without agencies. Dito madalas na overwhelm yung founders. Hindi mo kailangan ng recruiter para mag-dig through ng thousands and thousands of resumes. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga is yung tamang channels. So una, target outreach ka, pwedeng LinkedIn. So build saved searches with their titles, skills, and time zones. Tapos pwede ka mag-send ng 25 hanggang 40 na personal notes bawat week. Malaki rin yung referrals. Magtanong ka sa advisors, investors, pati customers. The right email is quote-unquote, we're hiring a blank role to blank outcome. Who's the sharpest person you know? Second is job boards. So Indeed or ZipRecruiter para sa ops and admin roles, Well-Found o AngelList para sa startup talent. Pwede ka rin tumingin sa WeWork remotely para sa global candidates. Third is talent communities. You can join niche Slack and Discord groups. Halimbawa, marketing ops groups, developer collectives, design channels. Mag-post ka muna ng value resource, tapos saka mo i-post yung job role. Then, doon papasok yung global hiring. Para sa international roles, sourcing does get tricky trickier. Dito pumapasok yung partner like Paired. So imbes na mag-scan ka ng hundreds ng random overseas resumes, si Paired magde-deliver sa'yo ng 2 to 3 vetted finalists in about 2 weeks. So walang agency cut, walang flood ng unqualified applicants, at yung best part, backed up siya ng 90-day satisfaction guarantee. So let's say if a candidate doesn't work out, papalitan nila yun ng walang extra cost, and that's something that traditional staffing firms almost never offer. Step forward to screen fast with 2 gates. Gate 1 is application review, so panoorin mo muna yung short video or skills test. Ignore very long resumes and score 0 to 3 on clarity, effort, and relevance. Gate 2 naman is quick 15-minute call. Dito magtatanong ka ng 3 questions. Tell me about the most similar project you've worked on. Number 2, what changed because of your work? Number 3, if we hired you, what's the first thing you do in the first week? Ito yung nag-weed out ng 80% ng wrong fits in under 30 minutes per candidate. Step number 5 is structured interviews. 1 panel, 1 hour, tapos lahat gumagamit ng same rubric. May behavioral part, so halimbawa, tell me about a time you missed the deadline and what happened. May technical part, usually small live exercise na related talaga sa role. So, sa ownership and culture, idadagdag mo rin. Describe a time you disagreed with a decision and what did you do. Score again, 0 to 3 on skills like problem solving, communication, ownership, and culture. And make decision within 24 to 48 hours kasi kapag mabilis ka kumilos, mas engage yung best candidates. Step number 6 is gumawa ng sharp offers without overpaying. You don't need to outbid FANG. You need clarity. So, i-check mo yung salary ranges sa Glassdoor or levels.fyi, then ask candidates directly about expectations, package total and comp, plus base bonus, plus benefits and perks, and clarity, and not pressure. You can say, this offer is valid for 5 business days para makapagplano ka ng maayos, especially sa overseas hires. This is where Paired shines because of their local sourcing. Madalas nakakasave ka ng 50 to 80% sa payroll cost compared sa pag-hire locally. At dahil sa guarantee nila, you don't lose sleep over making the wrong offer. Step number 7 is onboarding with real 30, 60, 90-day plan. Hindi lang basta bigay ng laptop, mag-set ka ng simple roadmap, day 1 to 7, deliver a tiny but real win, and you can publish a help doc and push a small feature. Day 30, they've learned the systems and deliver consistent work. Day 60 is they own a KPI. Day 90, they improve a system or create efficiency. Tapos weekly check-in ka gamit 3 questions of what's working, what's stuck, and what's next week's measurable. Step A is to track hiring metrics. Simple dashboard mo dapat includes first time to reply, less than 24 hours, interview pass-through rate from apply to offer per channel, quality hires per 100 applicants, offer acceptance rate less than 60% is actually good, at 90-day success rate. The last one matters most. Kapag ang tao nagta-thrive pa din after 90 days, ibig sabihin gumagana yung system mo. Step 9, when to use Paired. So, ito yung bonus na pinangako ko. Minsan, kahit may best systems ka na, wala ka pa ring bandwidth para mag-source globally. And that's where founders lean on Paired. Here's why it's different from staffing agencies. Walang bloated fees kasi usually ang agencies naniningil ng 20 to 30% ng first year salary, and Paired charges a fraction of that. Plus, may pre-vetted candidates ka na, so 2 to 3 highly qualified finalists ang makukuha mo, not just 200 random resumes. You get global reach. Yung recruiters nila local sa mga regions like Latin America at Indonesia, so they know where the best talent is. Biggest advantage sa hiring costs is savings. Yung overseas hires can reduce payroll costs up to 80% without sacrificing quality. May 90-day guarantee din sila, so kung hindi mag-workout yung hire, papalitan nila ng free. Ibig sabihin, almost zero yung risk mo. So, para sa startups, this is big. Nakukuha mo yung speed, cost savings, at quality without the agency markup. Kung feeling mo yun na yung missing piece sa hiring process mo, pwede mo silang i-check sa paired.so/startupwise. Scaling your startup team in 2025 doesn't require a staffing agency. Ang kailangan mo ay clear roadmap, a lean process, and the right tool. Pwede mong i-plan yung hires mo around outcomes, right roles that attract players, Use channels and scorecards to filter fast at mag-onboard with structure. And when needed, you can use Paired to scale overseas with confidence, cost savings, and a safety net built right in. Some of the links I shared are affiliate links. If you use them, maaari kami gumita ng small commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. Nothing here is legal, tax, or HR advice. Just my experience building lean hiring systems. Always confirm requirements for your own business. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Kung nga pala si Erin from Startupwise at kung nakatulong to sa'yo, hit like, subscribe, and let me know sa comments kung anong biggest challenge mo with hiring right now. I'll drop the links below. Kasama na yung paired link with that 90-day guarantee. Kita-kits sa next one!